Hi, I'm Erin the healer, and yes, I'm in my car and it's nighttime, and I just had this thought that came to me about how to declutter or how to get rid of clutter. And the reason I thought of it was because I have the issue myself, and I had asked a friend to create a meditation for me and other people, obviously, that could help me with it. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's so funny. It's my own thing. And I have the tools and methods, at least, that can help with that. So it'd probably be a good idea to help myself in the process. And I thought, while I'm helping myself, I could probably help some other people too. So I thought I'd do this live. I just pulled over my car and set the phone up. Here we are. Okay. So just go along with me. If you have issues around clutter, let me know. Put them in the comments. You can tell me your intensity level of how bad your clutter is or how bad you think it is on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the most intense. Let me think for myself. I kind of feel like my issue's at about an 8. It's perpetual. It just, no matter how much I think about it, no matter how much I think I do about it, no matter how many times I straighten everything up and clear everything up, it keeps coming back. And I think there's like a glitch. There's something that needs a deeper look. It needs some process. So that's why I called this part 1, because there's no way, at least for me, that one round on the top is going to do it. So I think there are going to be different layers that are going to show up. And if you tell me what your issues are, or what you think are playing a role in it, and put it in the comments, then I can add those as the different parts so that we can help get to the bottom of this, clear our clutter, and move on with our lives. No longer have that be an issue, or be able to manage it much easier. So just join along with me peacefully, easily. Let's do this. So go ahead and tap on your karate chop spot right here, and take a deep breath in and hold it, and let it out nice, big, and smooth. Take another deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. And just repeat after me. Even though I have so much clutter, and I don't know what to do about it, it just keeps coming back, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself. Now, I just want to say that it's funny because the clutter, it seems like it's stuff, right? Like it just seems like it's things around, either in your office or in your home or in your car or wherever it might be. It seems like it's just stuff, right? And all you have to do is clean up the stuff, and then you don't have clutter anymore. But actually, the issue doesn't really have to do with the stuff as much as it has to do with our own thoughts, feelings, our energy. So that's why we're doing this treatment. It's to help calm our energy, straighten out our energy, balance our energy, so that we can get the results we need, not just the busy work of decluttering, but actually shifting ourselves in a way that is able to handle that, manage it peacefully, easily, not with like, I'm a huge, what's the opposite of fan? Well, whatever the opposite of fan is, you know what it is, of not white knuckling it. Or I guess I'm a fan of not white knuckling it, okay? So like, I don't want people holding on so tight, trying so hard, having to do all these things, like working, upstream, swimming upstream, trying to declutter, trying to do whatever it is, whether it's losing weight or, getting good grades or, making more money or decluttering their house, whatever it is. I just don't want you to do it in a tight kind of way, in a tense kind of way. I want you to do it in a peaceful, easy, flowing kind of way, downstream. So that's why we're doing this treatment right now. So let's get back to it. So go ahead and tap on your karate chop spot and take a deep breath with me again. Nice deep breath. Hold it at the top and let it out nice, big, and smooth. And just repeat after me, okay? Even though I've got all this clutter and it's driving me crazy, no matter how many times I clean it up, it just comes back. I don't know why. I don't know how, but it does. This perpetual clutter. Despite all of this, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. So you're just repeating after me, okay? I'm sorry, I wasn't leaving a lot of space there, and I apologize for that. Even though I've got all this clutter, it's driving me crazy. No matter what I do, it seems to come back. Despite all of this, I choose to feel safe and peaceful and love and accept myself just as I am. Now let's go through the points, okay? I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to describe them too much. You just follow along with me as best you can. So tap on your eyebrow, right where your eyebrow meets the nose. All this clutter. And repeat after me, okay? If you're in a place where you can. It's driving me crazy. No matter what I do, no matter how many times I clear the clutter, it always comes back. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but it always comes back. It's been like this pretty much my whole life. I don't know what's wrong with me. Underneath your arm. I'm thankful I'm not as bad as people on the show Hoarders. Is that true? It is for me. Top of your head. But the clutter just keeps coming back. I seem to never be able to escape it completely, no matter how hard I try. Despite all of this, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. This is a little divot here underneath your lip, okay? I choose to feel safe and secure and clear any of these glitches, any of these issues that are going on in my head. It must be in my head since it's my life that's cluttered. And let them go peacefully and easily. Now take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it out, nice, big, and smooth. Open up your palms. You can rest them down on your lap if you want, and take another deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Then check in with yourself. See what level of intensity, that feeling of my life is too cluttered, my house is too cluttered, my office is too cluttered, whatever it is. Just check in with yourself on a level of 0 to 10, 10 being the most intense. What number are you at right now? Amazingly, I'm at about a 2. So I went from an 8 to a 2. Just the feeling. I'm not talking about the actual clutter of what is there, because it's all the same, right? I haven't been organizing right now, which I'm going to bring on an organizer, I swear, to one of these sessions that we're going to do. But right now, we're just working on the energy of it, okay? So mine went from an 8 to a 2. Can you please write down in the comments or send me a message or something what number you went from, where you started, what number you were at the end, and tell me what you're feeling. Like, to me, I feel a lot less tense. I feel a lot less irritated or maybe embarrassed about it. I just feel like this is just something to solve, which is cool. That's a good feeling. Also, I feel like it's doable, and I also feel really gentle with myself right now, like not as judgmental. Did I already say that? Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but I don't feel as judgmental of myself anymore. Are you feeling that too? I hope so. If you know anyone who needs help with something like this, send them my way, please. Give them this video, give them the link, whatever it is, okay? You can always contact me for a private session where we can work one-on-one and work with your particular issues to make it happen. My website is taponit.com. And, you just come check me out or send me a message, whatever feels more comfortable to you, or just use the videos. I'll be making a whole series on this topic because it's just super important to me personally. Like, I need it myself, so why not just do it for everybody else too? No need to be selfish about this, right? And let me know if there are specific topics or specific issues that you have around clutter, or other things too that you want help with. Great. That I can help you with, that I can make a video about. We can help the whole world. Or whoever finds us. Okay. I adore you all. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, morning, whatever it is for you. And peace, love, happiness, balance. Mwah. Bye, guys.